Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how to get connected with your MyLab resources for this semester's financial accounting course. I'm actually going to go back to the home page of Canvas. You have to start in Canvas. Okay, we are in Canvas and all our homework and all our exams will be completed in My Accounting Lab. So every time you need to access My Accounting Lab, you will do so through Canvas. Okay, all the links to the homework and the exams are in here. So we're going to register one time. The good news is that the fee you paid for this course includes the text and the resources and access to MyLabs. So no money is going to be required here. We're only going to get you connected. So you start at the home page and then you go to modules. All right, in the Getting Started module, if you open it up, there's a text page, also called Getting Started. And you are going to go to number 4, where there is this master code. I'm highlighting it right now. Everybody has the same code. This may be different. If you have other MyLab courses, you were probably able to register using the Brightwave module. For some reason, it's not working for this course, so the publisher had to give me a code to give everyone. So you're going to copy that code and then head over to MyLab and Mastering over here in the course navigation. Open up the window. All right. If you do not already have an account with Pearson, you're going to create one. If you do have an account, a MyLab account, MyMathLab, or something else, enter your credentials and you can connect that way. If you've never worked with MyLabs, you're going to create an account. All right. When you do so, you enter your email address, you confirm it, come up with a username you can remember, keep track of, and a password as well, and then hit create an account. Okay, when you do that, it will ask you, bring you to, next to this page, register. All right, you have to select an option. 1 is to use an access code, or 2 is to buy access. You do not have to buy anything. So go right here to access code, and then you are going to paste our master code in. That's it. You're going to hit finish and you will be registered. All right, it's as simple as that. So let me show you. Once you are registered, you will go to, let me get out of, this is student view. So let me just show you when you're in your modules and you go to your first homework assignment. I don't think it's open yet, but you will see the links in the modules. Oh, here's a homework assignment. Here's an animated lecture assignment. You're going to click on it from Canvas and you will be directly rerouted to MyLabs. Okay, see, it's not allowed to, it will open on the 14th, which is the day your course starts. But that's it. Good luck and let me know if there's any difficulty.